Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's updated video is going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026 and this requires no PC and no Discord. So all you need is a mobile phone, and this actually uses an Animal Company promo code that's going to unlock a secret mod menu in the game. So this literally does just require a mobile to obtain your Animal Company code. And basically this is the fastest and easiest method to get mods in Animal Company in 2026. Before I show you guys exactly how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating updated tutorials. So let's get into it. What you're going to want to do is, as I mentioned, use your mobile phone to get your Animal Company promo code for your mods. So go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it in like this. So you can pause the video and copy that down as well. But basically, Cold Coupons is a game code website. Now, they have hundreds of different codes on here, guys. They don't only have Animal Company codes, they have pretty much every game you can imagine. So it's well worth bookmarking, and whenever you're in need of a code, just visit this site. But what you're going to want to do is use the search bar and just type in Animal Company, and this is the promo codes page. Now on this page there is actually a code to get to the mod menu, so go ahead and scroll down until you find the Animal Company mod menu for free. So guys, this is the easiest method to get mods in Animal Company because it is just a code. So this is no external download or anything like that, guys. You just simply redeem this in the computer in the Animal Company redeem page, and it is going to unlock the mod menu. Now, because mods are pretty desirable and these codes are limited, as you can see, these are one-time use codes. You need to reveal your full promo code here, and you can see the code is blurred. So to get your Animal Company mod menu code, you need to click on get full code and just follow the instructions on this page. It does take about 5 minutes. I did this earlier, but it is pretty easy, guys. You just got to follow the instructions here. So it says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now basically what that means is, guys, if you scroll down this page, you're going to see a list of tasks. They're all completely free, and they do only take a few minutes each to complete, but these are basically applications and surveys. You just got to make sure you follow the instructions below each of them. So as an example, this one here says download and install this app and play one game for 5 minutes. So they do take a few minutes each to complete. This one, you just download this app and you have to play a game on it. So they're pretty easy. Some of them are like this one. This one is enter details. So this is basically a free survey where you just have to input, answer some questions, and then input your email and stuff like that, guys. They're really easy. So basically just fully complete 2 tasks on this page, and if you do everything correctly, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Animal Company mod menu promo code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here. You go ahead and redeem it in the Animal Company computer, so in the redeem promo code page. And that is how to get mods in Animal Company with no PC and no Discord in 2026. Head on over to Cold Coupons and then navigate your way to the Animal Company promo codes page, guys, and select the mod menu code. If you need any help, let me know, but it is pretty simple. Make sure you check my other videos as well. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.